Good morning, everyone. Myself Vanshroda. I'm having a team consist of Rashmi, Saurabh, Uttam, Hardik, and Jabjot. We are going to discuss our new project, which is airline reservation system using Star Schema. So, what is airline reservation system? Airline reservation system is an software application that allows airlines to manage their flight schedules, booking. It also serves as a centralized platform for both airlines and the customers, providing a seamless experience for reservation system and modification also. So, it has main key features are flight inventory management, booking and ticketing, checking and boarding, customer relationship management, reporting and analytics, integration with other systems. So, what is data warehousing? A data warehousing is a crucial for businesses because it provides a centralized repository for storing, managing the data of large volumes from various sources. So, it has main components are data sources from where the data is collected, or like flight operations and customer feedback. Moving towards the next point, ETL, extract, transform, and load processes. It basically integrates the data from multiple resources, cleans the data, and after that, it loads to the data warehouse. The next one is data warehouse storage, central repository for storing the historical and the current data. The last one is business intelligence tools, which is BI tools, tools used for querying, reporting, and visualizing data into the various models which support decision making platform.
So now I will be discussing about the key benefits of data warehousing in airline management system. Enhanced decision making provides a centralized view of operational, customer, and financial data, supports real-time reporting and analytics. Improved customer experience helps airlines identify customer preferences, leading to personalized services. As we are dealing with the real-time data, so it helps this to provide customized and personalized information about the passengers. Revenue optimization enables tracking of booking trends, cancellation, and pricing strategies. Operational efficiency assists in optimizing flight schedules, crew assessments, and inventory control. So now I will be discussing the differences between star schema and snowflake schema. Star schema, simpler structure with denormalized tables, faster, easier to understand and implement. Snowflake schema, normalized structure with more levels of dimension table. It is more normalized than star schema as it decreases the dependency between the tables. Slower performances due to multiple jobs between tables. Use case of airlines. Star schema is preferred due to its simplicity and speed, ideal for large query volumes in airlines. So now I would like to hand over the presentation to Rasmi.
Okay, so as Uttam mentioned, that star schema is preferred in this airline reservation system. So now we'll discuss about what is the star schema. A star schema is a very widely used data warehouse model that organizes data in form of tables. Like we have tables like fact table and dimension tables. So why it is named like a star schema, because it looks like a star when we make the table. Here you can see the one of the example of star schema we have given here. So in that, the fact table is in the middle and all the dimension table are around the fact table, so it looks like a star where the fact table is at the center and the dimensional table radiate outwards. Now, key components of the star schema. There are two type of tables. First one is a fact table and second is a dimension table. A fact table, it contains measurement or matrices like scales, like quantity, and that are focus of analysis. It basically it mainly contains the foreign keys of like all the dimensional tables and all the it contained the metrics like needed, like sales and quality, revenue, discount, all the things. And then the dimension table, it contained a descriptive information about the data in the fact table. So in that, like we have given the examples, like customer dimension, it will give a detail about customer. For product dimension, it will give a detail about product. And then for time dimension, it will give a date and time details, like which year, which day, at what time. And location dimension, it will give you a geographical location, like which country, state, or city. So after that, we go to star schema structure for airline reservation system. Now, in the last slide, we have seen an like example of star schema. So we'll see that how in an airline reservation system we'll make a star schema. So firstly, the fact table, the name of the fact table we have given here is like reservation fact. So in the fact table we'll have fields like reservation id, flight id, passenger id, ticket price, seat booked, and revenue. And in the dimension table we have all the or like flight dimensions, passenger dimension, date dimension, location dimension. In flight dimension, we have the details of the flight, like flight ID, airline name, flight number, departure date, arrival date. And for the passenger dimension, we'll have passenger ID, age, gender, basically the details about the passenger. For date and time dimension, as I've already explained about the date and location for the location. So we have given in details. We'll discuss more about the fact table and then the dimension tables. So the fact table, we have reservation fact table, the central table for recording the transactions. It contains the keys to the dimension tables. Like that means then the dimension table we have primary key. Here we'll take it as a foreign key in the fact table, and the measurable values such as ticket price, number of booking, etc. It simplifies the query for total revenue passenger data. Like if I have to calculate the total revenue generated, so I don't have to go to every single, like for the ER diagram we have to do about for like for this particular airline I want to see. So I have to go to each and every like the tables. So it was way more complex. And in star schema, it becomes very easy like to get the details about like total revenue, passenger data, anything. Now in dimension table, just like fact table, we have flight dimension. It captures the flight details, passenger for passenger details, and then date and location. For the code, I want Jabjot to explain the code for the airline reservation system.
Thank you, Rashmi. To begin with, uh, what we have done here is we have used SQLite to implement the database for airport management system. First, we have created dimension tables, which include the passenger with main entity was the passenger ID. Then we created a dimensions table where the main entity was airport ID. Airport ID, airport name, city, and country are all the fields. And airport dimension table. Further on, we have the last dimension table as flight, which has flight ID as the main primary key, wherein airline name, department, airport, arrival, airport ID, flight duration for are also present. Then we have the data dimension table, which has date ID, full day, month, year, week to keep track of the exact date and time of your travel. Then moving on to the fact tables, we have reservation fact table, which includes reservation ID, flight ID, passenger ID, airport ID, booking date ID, price, seat number. All these IDs are implemented from various dimension tables into one fact table and bind it together. Then we insert data into our into a database that we have recently created. After that, we commit the changes and close the file. That's it from my part.
So now I will be telling about the advantage of star schema for airline reservation system. First is simplicity. The denormalized structure makes it easy to understand and implement. Query are straightforward and requiring few joins, which saves deployment times. Second is efficiency in reporting. Schema is optimizing for querying large data sets. Mm, Augmented data like total revenue or booking by regions can be retrieved quickly, ensuring fast reporting. Third is scalability. As business grow, new dimensions like seat, class, airline partners, or discounts can be added with major changes. Next, challenges in implementing star schema for airlines. First is data integrity. Reliance deals with vast amount of data from multi-sources. Example, bookings, flight operations. Integrating these systems can be complex. Second is data quality. Ensuring consistency and timeliness of data across all sources is crucial. Scalability. As the volume of data grows, maintaining fast query performance can be challenging. Last is cost. Data warehouse and BI tool can be expensive to implement and maintain. Now, Saurav will be continue.
Now coming upon the next part, the use cases of star scheme and airline system. The first one is the revenue analysis. Analyze revenue by flight, date, location, or passenger demographics. The second one is the passenger insights, like track passengers, booking behavior, popular flight routes, repeat customers, and etc. The third one is the flight performance. Monitor flight performance, cancellation, delays, and seat occupancy rates. Next one. Now we will discuss about the future trends in data warehousing for airlines. The first one is a big data integration. Airlines are increasingly integrating unstructured data, example social media, customer reviews, into the data warehouse. The second one is AI and machine learning. That AI and machine learning can help the predict the analytics, and machine learning can help the airline predict customer behavior, optimize routes, and manage inventory, which can give a better experience to the customers. The third one is a real-time data analytics. The real-time data processing can enable airlines to make quicker decisions regarding pricing, route optimization, and customer services, etc. Now I will hand over to the Varsh for the conclusion of this meeting.
So, concluding this presentation, so what are the key takeaways from this presentation? So, the key takeaways are the airline reservation system is a well structured using a star schema which provides a robust, scalable, efficient manner to manage, analyze the complex data like in big data by separating transaction data into central fact tables and descriptive dimension tables, which allow for quick and easy reporting on critical metrics as well as such as revenues, passenger behavior, flight performance, and operational efficiency. The next point is business impact. So it has huge impact on the business, such as implementing the star schema ensures faster data retrieval and insightful analytics for to make the data driven decisions, as it also improves customer experience by optimizing flight scheduling, maximizing the profitability, and offering the targeted services and promotions based on real time insights. Thank you.